Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and this is Brooklyn, and she is always here to help me. Not very much help, believe me, but that's okay. She oftentimes will, eat packages and everything, run away with things. I'm going to be drawing the winner for last week's giveaway. It's Wednesday. I call these Sunday giveaways, but it just never seems to turn out like that. I apologize. Sundays probably isn't such a great day because my husband's home from work and things are happening over the weekend. So maybe I'm going to start doing this every Monday or something. I'll find a day when it really works, but either way, it's a giveaway a week. So, but I'm going to go ahead and draw the name. Your name is all in here if you entered. So I'm going to go ahead and, does someone want to draw a name for me? Hello, hello, hello. Sure, Nicole. Are your hands sticky from that orange? No. Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. I see a name. And I can't remember if this person has won for me in the past. I think so. Deb, is it Richter? Deb, you have won last week's giveaway. I'm not going to review what last week's giveaway was. If you want to, you can go ahead and review it or just wait for the package in the mail and be surprised. So that is my winner, Deb. My contact information is in the description box. You can Instagram me or you can email me your address. I believe that is your full name, Deb Richter. But if it's not, if that's just a false name for YouTube, then go ahead. I need your full name and address. All right, moving on. This is going to be the next giveaway. So I actually won this in a giveaway. And I don't know if you guys just saw, but I did an unboxing of a bracelet that I got from excuse me, I don't know why I can't talk, from That Daily Deal. The bracelet was very big on me, very, very big. And I noticed this is pretty much the same kind of bracelet. So I got this from, I want to say Arkansas Gals, but I really don't remember for sure. But I hate to give away things that people have given to me, but if it doesn't fit, it doesn't fit. There's nothing I can do about it. This one does come with earrings. All right, so the bracelet and the earrings. And then this was in one of my Goodwill jewelry hauls. No, was this in the Goodwill jewelry haul? I don't remember. No, I think this is, no, it was not. Okay, not that you care where this was from, but I did another That Daily Deal mystery jewelry box, and they gave me a whole bunch of little pieces of jewelry. So this was in there, and I believe this is from FabFitFun. So we get that, and then this face thing here. It's like a face, like I'm not going to put it on my face, but I think you're supposed to go like this. I don't use face tools. So I just see no reason to keep this. It's got its own little bag here, its own little package. So you'll get that. And then this is a card making kit. So it has the like little pieces of pink paper. I'll go ahead and open it and show you exactly kind of some of the things that are in here. So it's got this kind of paper. When I got it, I did get it from Goodwill, but it was brand new and it had never been even opened. My puppy is over here, of course. So it comes with all the pieces. And it's for people that do, that make cards. I don't make cards. So it's got all these pretty patterns and, and then it has stickers. It comes with stickers, a whole bunch of different stickers in the back here. I mean, it is very pretty, and it's for the creative side of people, which is something I don't have, that creative side. So, you know, it's a pretty good kit. I actually would keep it if I knew that I would use it. And I, bless you, Zach. And I know I would not use it. So that is going to be in the next giveaway. So in order to enter this giveaway, the word that you need to use is blue. Okay, so use the word blue in a sentence. And for those of you that have been watching me for a year or so, I have blue eyes now. Not that anyone would notice. They were brown, but for my birthday, I decided I want blue contacts. And I'm 52 years old and decided I want to change. So that's the change I made. So use the word blue in your sentence down below if you want to enter. If you don't want to enter, please still leave a comment down below. I'd greatly appreciate it. Give this video a thumbs up and make sure that you're subscribed. If you want to enter, you have to be subscribed. All right. And Deb, you are subscribed to me. I already checked. So everyone, and also I want to let you know too, in the description box are the rules for the giveaway. Must be in the United States, 18 years or older, or have a parent's permission. All those rules, anyway, they're in the description box. Okay, so everyone, thank you so much and have a great day. Bye.